Texas A&M Engineering is aligned with national security priorities through advancing manufacturing security and resilience. We are assisting critical decision makers with understanding and responding to events that disrupt manufacturing production. We're using real-time data to anticipate supply chain responses to emergent demands and predict effectiveness of mitigation strategies. We are using sensor fusion and artificial intelligence to enhance manufacturing security and productivity. We are also building manufacturing communities and networks to meet critical needs for the defense industry. We're preparing tomorrow's manufacturing leaders. And that's Texas A&M Engineering for you.